In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a workspace for your team in Notion. To get started, open Notion and sign into your account. Once you're inside the app, head to the left-hand sidebar where you'll find the Team Spaces section. This is where shared spaces for different groups, departments, or projects are managed. Next, click the three-dot menu beside Team Spaces. This opens the menu where you can create and manage shared spaces for your team. From there, select New Team Space to begin setting up a dedicated area for collaboration. Now enter a name in the icon and name field. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of the space so your team can identify it quickly. A clear name makes navigation easier, especially as your workspace grows over time. After that, add a description in the description field. This is where you can briefly explain what the team space is for, such as the type of work it will contain or which team should use it. A good description gives everyone immediate context and helps reduce confusion later. Once that's done, open the Permissions dropdown and choose the access level that fits your team's needs. This step is important because it controls who can view or contribute to the team space. Take a moment here to make sure the setting matches how open or restricted you want the space to be. When everything looks right, click Create Team Space. Notion will generate the new team space and add it to your sidebar. Then select the newly created team space from the sidebar to open it and start building out the structure. Now it's time to add team pages. Create pages for projects, tasks, meetings, and documentation. These core pages help turn an empty team space into a practical working area. Try to think in terms of the information your team uses most often, so the layout feels useful from day one. After creating the main pages, organize the content by arranging pages and subpages within the team space. Group related information together, so it's easy to browse and maintain. A clean structure makes it much simpler for everyone to find what they need without wasting time. If needed, invite team members to the team space so they can access and collaborate in the new area. Make sure the right people are included based on the permissions you selected earlier. Finally, review the setup. Confirm that the pages, permissions, and overall structure are all set up correctly. This final check helps ensure your team space is ready to use and easy for everyone to understand. Thanks for watching.